Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to check the IP address in your Android mobile phone. So first of all, just go to applications and then move to settings. In the settings menu, you have to scroll down up to about phone. Just click on about phone and there you have some options here. Just click on status. Now see, the fourth option says IP address, but it is unavailable because now the internet connection is not enabled here. So I just enable the internet connection. Now just look at the IP address, it is showing here. So guys, thank you for watching my video and I hope you will subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you again.